Alright, we're going to take a look at creating a plane at an angle. I have to have this cylindrical cut at a 25-degree angle. The part we're trying to replicate is this. Well, if I select an edge and I reference another face or plane, I can set the angle. One thing you want to watch for is it creating the inverse angle. But other than that, we can create this pretty easily. So let's go back here a couple of steps. So I want to create a plane that I can sketch on to cut this cylinder across here at an angle. Go to reference geometry, and I'm going to create a plane. By selecting an edge and a surface, I can pick this vertical or horizontal surface, but the vertical surface is going to allow this to happen better. And now I can set an angle, and right now this angle is 90 degrees. I can change this angle, and let's find 25. Nope, wrong way. I can flip it. That's better, because I want to cut perpendicular to this face. And I just need one of them. I can now sketch on this plane. It's a cylinder, find the midpoint. The radius on this arc is 32. Sorry, it's 16, so the diameter is 32. I'm just going to mark this off at 32. When you go to cut, I'm going to have to cut in both directions, either a mid-plane cut, because I am buried inside the material. So I'm going to just go ahead and cut this off. Direction 1, direction 2 if needed. Mid-plane would work. And then hide your plane. If you need it again, you can always turn it back on and reference it. Oop. So just hide it. So adding a plane at an angle. Select the edge, a surface. You might have to flip it, which I did in this case. But it does depend on which two references you make. So if I pick this edge, and I set an angle of 25. Nope, that's still backwards. That's not going to help me either. I mean, I guess I could do a revolve cut there. But I would then need the inverse. So 90 minus 25 is 65. And flip it. There, I got it. So you just got to be vigilant on which angle you're actually creating based on the planes or edges you referenced. There you go.